Good morning, everyone. My name is Shaquarius Holmes, and we are at the Anna Meyer Branch Library. And today I will be teaching you guys how to make dragon eyes using paint. Normally, people do it using fingernail polish, but we do not have fingernail polish, so we're going to be using paint that you can normally find at home or the arts and crafts section. And as you can see in the background, our theme here at Anna Meyer is dragon theme. So we have our dragon books, we have our dragon eyes, our dragon eggs, and books about slaying dragons. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you the paints that I am choosing. I am starting with my black, which is going to be the color I use for my pupil. And I'm going to use a red. I'm going to go with this pretty greenish blue color. Gold. If I have gold left. This rose gold color. Alright, so for the actual eye, I am going to be using Christmas ornaments. Now, you can find these at Dollar Tree sometimes. You can find them at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, or Michael's in the arts and crafts section. There's normally 2 in a package, and they come like this. They're normally $1, $1.50. These were $1.50. And you just open the package. And for my eye, I'm only going to use 1/2 of the ornament. And then I'm going to use a regular brush, some water, and a toothpick. These are all the things I'm going to need to make my dragon eyes. So first I'm going to take my finger and find the center part of the half of the Christmas ornament so I can make the pupil. So I'm going to dip, find that center part, and just draw a straight line. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just need to find my starting point. And from there, I'm going to try to make a semi-good pupil. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said, because I'm going to mess it up later. And just paint around because we're going to do a thing called feathering. So this is the way it looks on the outside, and this is how it looks on the inside. So while feathering this, I'm going to take my toothpick and I'm just going to go out. And the reason why I want to do this is because I want to add dimension to my eye to make it more realistic, or as realistic as I possibly can get it. And if you think you messed up, don't worry about it, because you can always go back over with the black paint. And if you take off too much black, that's fine as well, because you can always go back over it. And this is how it looks on the inside, and this is how it's going to look on the outside. So from here, I want to dry this up quickly. Okay, now this is dry and it's actually kind of hot. So if it's too hot for you, you probably want to get someone to hold it for you or put some gloves on. Now, normally I would do the outer layer with a black, but today I don't want the black outer layer. So I want to go with a red outer layer. So I'm going to remove the blackness from the black paint from my brush and go with my red. And I'm just going to paint around the inside. And that's all I'm going to do. All the way around. And once you get your paint all the way around, you take your toothpick and you're going to feather going down. So you're going to go to this side and you're just going to pull it all the way down. Now if your paint dries on you, that's fine. Just add a little bit more in that area and then start feathering downwards. Okay, so here's what I have so far, and this is what it looks like on the inside, and here's what it looks like on the outside. Now as you can see, I have a little bit too much redness right here. That's perfectly fine. I'm going to clean that up later. And here's what I have so far. Now I want to go back and clean up my pupil, because it's dry enough for another layer. Alright. Now, for my iris, I think I want to go with this pretty bluish teal color. So I'm going to take the paint, and I'm going to go around the pupil, all the way around it, trying not to really mix it with the black, but if you do, that's fine. So here's what I have so far. And from there, I'm going to get, once again, my toothpick and feather it out. I'm feathering towards the red. So with that being done, I'm going to take my blow dryer and dry it again. Oh, that's hot. Now I'm going to add the purple, but I'm going to add it where the red is at. And feather it down. Done with the purple. Blow dry it. Now for the finishing color, I think I'm going to go with just the gold. So I'm going to just take as much as the gold I can get on the brush and just paint it all the way in. And get it on there as thick as I can. And because this is the last coating, I'm not going to feather it in. Alright, this is what it looks like on the inside, and this is the final product. You can see all the different colors in the dragon eye. Thank you all for joining me today. Once again, my name is Shaquarius Holmes. I am the computer instructor as well as the teen librarian here at the Anna Meyer Branch Library. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.